Hello everyone, you are welcome to this course. Okay, I'm going to take you through how you can turn your skill to cash using AI to convert simple text into scroll stopping videos in minutes, in seconds or minutes. Okay, I'm Mrs. Daramola. I'm the CEO of Dosh Advertising Agency. So in this course, I want you to get the best out of this course. Learn how to create videos from text, images from text, create your own songs. I mean, do a lot of things using your smartphone or your laptop. So just give me your maximum attention and I know you will not regret it. So welcome to Skill to Cash. Build wealth with your creativity. Turn simple text into school stopping videos in 3 minutes. No editing, no camera, no experience needed. Okay. So let's get started. You can turn text into stunning videos and images with artificial intelligence using your smartphone or laptop. Now, this is just the course outline, and this is what you will learn. Module 1, Introduction to AI Powered Creativity. And that has to do with what is AI content creation. Understanding how AI turns words into media. When you say media, images, videos, audio, benefit for creators, marketers, educators, and whosoever you are. The tools you will need, your smartphones, your laptop, connection, and some applications. Okay, Google VO3, Pipet, Ideogram, ChatGPT, Gemini, and some other ones that I have not listed here. Okay, module 2, I'm going to teach you how to set up your tools. Okay, if you are using a smartphone, you can always install from your app store. Okay, if you are using your laptop, you can always go to the web, you go to your URL, your browser, and access the tools. And the tools we are using will be ChatGPT, Gemini, Google View 3, Pipet, and some other ones I'm going to reveal to you. Okay, most of these tools they have the free and the paid version. Okay, so we will use you can start with free or trial account. Trial account means that you will try it for 1 month and after that they will start charging you. Then what are we going to use to create these videos and images? Okay, you input something into the you input your ideas, what you think, your thoughts, you input it into the application or the AI tool. It is called prompts. Okay, so understanding prompts because your ability to create videos, stunning videos, attention catching attention grabbing images is totally based on your prompt, and I will teach you how to craft your prompt, how to create basic and advanced text prompts for images and videos. Okay, AI image generation using text prompts, creating images with AI using Ideogram AI, ChatGPT, using Pipet, then step by step prompt, how to generate it and all that. Prompt writing for images, e.g. a peaceful African village at sunrise, digital art style. I'm going to teach you how you can, the format or the formula you can use for your video and for your images. Okay, AI video creation using text prompts. Okay, so we are going to use Google View 3, we are going to use Pipet and some other tools I'm going to introduce to you. How to input prompts, how to generate and download video clips. Okay, a young woman walking in the rain with a red umbrella will make it cinematic style. Editing and enhancing with CapCut. Okay, just CapCut. I'm not using InShot. Adding text, music, subtitle, making your AI video social media ready. Combine tools for better result. That will be module 5. Turn images to videos with music, text, convert static images into animated reels. Okay, using Pipet, Gemini, ChatGPT, add voiceover and AI audio. using AI voice app like people capture text to speech, matching voice tone with video content. Then module 6, real life projects. So of course, if you can create content, then you can be a social media manager. You can run ads, you can create promotional videos for content creators, for companies to charge 10,000, 15,000, 25,000. Build a promo video script, okay? Make a motivational poster with AI image and quotes. Then module 7, monetize your new skills. I'm going to teach you how you can start getting clients from the comfort of your home, okay? And this is what we are going to learn. Then I can give you, of course, I will give you certificate at the end of the course. Once you are done with the course, okay, I will just give you your certificate. All you just need to do is your full participation. Give me your full name and I will give you your certificate. I hope this makes sense. So just join me and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.